Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. In my previous video, I have explained substitution method of solving pair of linear equations. Now, this is the second method in algebraic methods of solving linear equation in two variables. This is called elimination method. So now I will explain this method with an example. Let us consider two equations. Suppose say x plus 2y is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to 1. So as a first step, we can add or subtract these two equations such that we can eliminate one of the variable, either x or y, you can eliminate by adding or subtracting these two variables. For that, first thing we need to check is whether the constants of these two variables are equal or not. If the constant of the variable is equal, then only you can eliminate the variable here, right? Suppose say here, my first equation is x plus 2y is equal to 7 and second equation is x minus y is equal to 1. See, the variable of x in the first variable is 1 and the second equation also the variable of x is 1. Right now, I can add or subtract such that this x will get cancelled here. Right, the variable x will get cancelled here. So both are plus 1 and plus 1 such that I can subtract these two equations both the sides. See here, I am subtracting these two variables such that one variable x will get cancelled. That is x plus 2y minus of x minus y. I am subtracting equation number 1 from equation number 2. I am subtracting equation number 2 from equation number 1 such that, see here, how can I write x plus 2y minus x minus of minus plus y is equal to 7 minus 1 6. So x will get cancelled here. 2y plus y, it is 3y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 2. Or else, in a simple way, I will explain here. X plus 2y is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to 1. You can subtract these two equations directly like this only. See here, if I am multiplying this with minus the second equation, all the signs are changing here. The plus x is becoming minus and minus y is becoming plus. So what I am doing is converting. If I want to subtract the second equation from the first equation, just change the signs of these second equation variables, right? So this is plus, I am writing it as minus. This minus, I will write it as plus. Again, the second side also, right hand side also, I have plus here, that I will write it as minus. Means you are subtracting. Now you can add directly, right? So plus x and minus x 0. 3y is equal to 7 minus 1, 6. So y is equal to 2. This is called elimination method. You are cutting off one variable. You are eliminating one variable here, right? So once you know y value, substitute it back in one of the equations and get x value. Suppose say x minus y is equal to 1 here. So x minus y is equal to 1. Put y is equal to 2 here. So x value you will get it as 3, right? So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, right? Now, suppose see here, if the variable is not equal, see in the second term, that is y variable, here it is 2 and here it is 1. And if you want to eliminate y but the constants are not equal for the variable, then you have to make the variable, the constants of the variable equal by multiplying both the equations with appropriate constant such that both the constants of y are equal. Suppose say here x plus 2y is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to 1. So here the constant of the variable y is 2 in my first equation, but the constant of variable y is 1 in my second equation, right? So if I want to eliminate y, this is not possible because this is 2y and this is y. If I add also or if I subtract also, y will not get eliminated, right? So to make them eliminated, just multiply this with 2 such that equation number 2 with 2 such that this variable y will be equal, right? So both the sides of the equation I am multiplying with 2, equation number 2. So such that it will become 2x minus 2y is equal to 2, right? Now if you see, this is 2y and this is also equal to 2y. Both the equations are having same term. Now you can add both the equations such that one of the variable is eliminated, right? So x plus 2y is equal to 7 and now 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Now you can add both these equations such that these two will get cancelled. 3x is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. I am adding both the sides of the equation. So x is equal to 9 by 3, which is nothing but 3, right? Substitute in one of the equation, get the value of y, right? So x minus y is equal to 1 you have. Put 3 minus y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 2 you will get, right? So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So I'll explain the procedure one more time here. So first thing we need to check is whether the constant of the variable term is equal or not. If it is equal, then only you can eliminate that variable either by adding or subtracting. If the variable is not equal, if the constant term of the variable is not equal, you can make it equal by multiplying either of the equation or both the equations with appropriate constant such that the constants of either the variable x or y are equal. Then simply by adding or subtracting these two equations, you can get x or y, right? Then substituting it back into the equation, you can get the other variable also, right? This is the procedure for elimination method. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.